So we are coming up to the end of our walk. Yeah, so we started actually, so that's the parking lot there. And we actually started on the other side. Let me see if I can actually see our van from here. I don't even know. Oh, we're way down here by the exit somewhere. Oh, I can't see the van. Anyways. Yeah, I can't see it. Anyways, we started over on that other side, and then we went basically all the way around, along the river, and then now we're here. We're actually on the other side, so that's the river there, down there, and yeah, and this is the field. So this is the other side of the parking lot, and yeah, so we're actually out like 2.5 hours. So part of it was I'm just a slow walker. But yeah, and I mean, it's so nice out. We can literally spend the entire day out. It's not freezing at all, and these guys love it. They love just running out here. They love the outdoors. But I think they're pretty worn. I'm gonna bet that as soon as we hit the van, Chewy's gonna nap. That's what he normally does. He runs his head off while we're at the park, and then he gets to the van and he crashes.
He wouldn't be able to navigate there at all. He's too deep for snow.
Oh yeah, yeah, he's tiny. So lots of cars in the parking lot, but not many are out in the field, which basically means they're all out in the trails. Yeah. Good boy, Chewy. Good boy, Bud. Good boy, Quincy.